We're on a bridge. Horses. Giant waterfall. Neat. A rainbow. That's neat. That's pretty cool. Getting water splashed on me just from being here. It's water. Water. It's pretty cool. Kind of freaky looking. Its eyes are like. It's kind of hoping for a "who cooks for you." I have realized there's a lot of like Japanese and Korean tourists, and all the roads are all the roads are like Mandarin, Korean, Japanese, and in English. There's 4 languages just in all the signs. Observation route. Just walk over, smile at the camera, and then walk away. Yes. We take a video, we don't have to prepare. Cute. Jokes aside, the falls are actually an amazing place and I would strongly recommend it. Furthermore, it's completely free. After the falls, you can also walk along a trail all the way to the Sky Lantern area, passing by another very anime-esque scenery. Not very hot, in the shade, Canadian levels of summer. And also, sometimes you get splashed by the waterfall, so it's like you cool down a little. I was gonna say, this looks like... No, Suzume. Suzume, you know how they had like in the Platinum Plaza where it's like circular on the inside, they had that door? This looks like it. It's neat. No, definitely not Suzume on the middle. Another what looks like a night market that we're here during the day for. In case you're wondering, the trail between the waterfall all the way to this night market and then finally to the Sky Lanterns is about a 30-minute walk or so. Whoa.
I think I'm...
How much is it?
I don't know.
So we're getting a money lantern. And it was like 200 NTD. And now I gotta draw on it. They're so nice about this. Painting a cat with money. I think I'm much more upfront about what I want, I think. This is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, we did buy the yellow lantern.
Yes.
After drawing some masterpieces, praying for more money, we realized that there was actually 2 more sides to the lantern that we get to paint. So... my poor calligraphy skills. Also, I googled that because I don't know how to write Chinese.
Okay.
And I'm not sure I wrote it right, but hey, I think they get the point. This is While we're here, let's talk about full service, because if you're concerned about getting the best shots for how to release the lantern, they have got you covered.
Money.
ไว้กระสอบ บ๊ายบาย บ๊ายบาย good night good night good night good night โอเค
They said they were eco-friendly. The entire thing was based a little bit of wax paper plus some what felt like cardboard as the main skeleton of the lantern. I do believe it could be eco-friendly. If you do it during the daytime, you can see a lot more of the things you actually wrote on it. Whereas nighttime, I don't think even a lantern with the fire inside would actually see any of the things you wrote. That was 200 NTD. That is less than $10, I'm pretty sure. Well, we found more cats. Jenny's asking if it's too greedy to keep asking for money. I mean, it is kind of greedy, but have you seen the housing prices in Canada? If you want to own a house and start a family, it's going to be expensive. This is a really good day trip. The waterfall's already really amazing and cools you off, even if it's a really hot day. And the lantern's quite a cultural phenomenon, I would say, and definitely worthwhile. So if you get a chance, I'd say check it out.